This first song I'm going to play is called The Doric Man. This is about the beautiful Doric language that we speak.
I hail from Northeast Scotland where we speak a dialect. It is the proper English, it's the Doric words instead. We hain't got boys and girls, but we mean that's just fine. Cause we hear heap of loons and half a bonny quaints. We speak the Doric, we will eat till we die. We can fit, and we love our bosie. I don't say who, what, why, where or when. I say far and why, and how and fun you can. And I will never ask you, how do you do? But I want to can fit like you are, and I want to can your news. For we speak the Doric, we will eat till we die. We can fit, and we love our bosie. I was just a wee loon at the Brock Academy. There was a home ec teacher by the name of Misery. She tried self to change my tongue, she punished me each day. Detention for an eye off it, but the Doric it did stay. For we speak the Doric, we will eat till we die. We can fit, and we love our bosie. Look at John Philkite, well he is off a glicket. He's out for his bladder hoolie and he's getting his dross through gets. Hot and I'm in near, we is seamen soaking weeds. He'll be hanging, lugging him on, with feet they waldy beats. For we speak the Doric, we will eat till we die. We can fit, and we love our bosie. Oh, I can tack on to Marcius man, he wears a strussel brute. He scalped my other lug and kicked a bit part in my stroop. As he swung his queens, he cowbit and the bar. So I ran across, I kicked his dog, then I ran over. For we speak the Doric, we will eat till we die. We can fit, and we love our bosie. Bonnie sing-song Doric tongue, I'll change it for no one. It'll still be thriving after I am dead and gone. 'Cause English is alright, I suppose, but Disney quite got it.